Shimmering crystal clear waters, breathtaking white sands, and a vibrant marine ecosystem. Someone may mistake this description for the Maldives, but no, I'm talking about Indonesia. Not sure? Watch the video until then and witness the beauty for yourself. Embarking on an exclusive cruise through the untouched islands of Indonesia, our voyage today leads us to the exquisite wonders of Taka Makassar and Manta Point. Surrounded by breathtaking landscapes and a vibrant underwater world, we will immerse ourselves in the sensation of being castaways, ready to plunge into the crystal clear waters and glide alongside of majestic manta rays. Join us as we navigate through the captivating beauty of these remote islands, where every moment promises an adventure into the richness of both the scenic surroundings and the mesmerizing marine life. From the secluded shores of Taka Makassar to the enchanting depths of Manta Point, our private ship journey is a gateway to unparalleled beauty and extraordinary encounters with the ocean's gentle giants. Prepare to be captivated by the allure of these hidden gems as we set sail to explore, unwind, and dive into unparalleled magic of Taka Makassar and Manta Point. Taka Makassar, situated in the Komodo National Park in Indonesia, is a small island adorned with white sands. Taka Makassar can be described as Maldives of Indonesia or emerged land. The size of Taka Makassar Island is smaller than a football field. This island is known for its picturesque landscapes and the bright turquoise waters that surround it. Its seclusion and untouched nature make it the perfect spot for those seeking tranquility and wishing to enjoy natural beauty. The island has a unique and beautiful shape, fully covered with white sand. It is formed from the accumulation of corals and represents a sort of mound that becomes visible during low tide. To reach Taka Makassar, your initial destination is Labuan Bajo. This town serves as an embarkation point for all lifeboats and all the ships to and from the island. As you set sail towards Taka Makassar, you will soon discover the limitations of larger vessels in its shallow waters. But fear not, for the magic lies in the details. To approach this tiny paradise, hop onto a smaller boat that will gracefully guide you to the sandy haven. Diving with giant manta rays at Manta Point is one of the most mesmerizing activities in the Flores Islands. For the sake of our adventure, the dive is conducted with the assistance of a local tour guide.
Welcome to Manta Point. We're gonna jumping, yeah? I will be in the front and just follow where I am going, yeah? This is sign for Manta. This is sign for the sharks, yeah?
How big are the sharks?
80 centimeters is the length, yeah. That's it, okay? Vamos, ready to go.
Venga.
This place attracts manta rays thanks to the strong currents found in these waters, drawing these mysterious creatures in large numbers. The shallows around the area provide ideal conditions for observing these grateful beings in their natural habitat, making it a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. Besides manta rays, here one can also meet turtles, sharks, eagle rays, and all sorts of colorful fishes.
Everything really looks like a paradise. And this is not Maldives, this is not Seychelles, this is not Mauritius. This is Indonesia. if you want to organize amazing trip to Indonesia, the best of the best, RSBU Travel is your agency. We can do for you from A to Z, and you will remember this trip forever.
And now we're returning back to our boat to resume our journey through the Flores Islands.